learn now about negative definite function. So first I will tell in English what is negative definite function. A function is said to be negative definite if it is less than 0 for all x and is equal to 0 for x equal to 0. When I say all x, what I mean is, say we are in R2. R2 means it's a two-dimensional Cartesian system. So, two-dimensional Cartesian system means there are two numbers. Consider our graph page, x1, x2. So, minus 1, minus 2 is a point in R2. Minus 0.5, 2.3 is a point in R2. 10, 100 is a point in R2. So, a function v of x is said to be negative definite if v of x is less than 0 for all x and equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. Let us look at the equation for the negative definite. V of x less than 0 for all x element R2, x not equal to 0 and v of x equal to 0 when x equal to 0. Negative definite. So let us think about, can you give an example? I'll pause for a while. The video will be showing the equations. You think about a function in R2 which is negative definite. Okay, I will tell you an equation or I will ask you another question. What can you say about this function minus x1 square minus 2x2 square? Is this negative definite? Yes, it is negative definite. If you give any value for x1, x2 other than 0, the value of v of x will be less than 0. Therefore, this function is negative definite. Let us consider another example. V of x is equal to x1 square minus 2x1 x2 plus x2 square. Is this function positive definite or negative definite? So we'll take a break. Within the break, I will show you the equation again. You look at this function. V of x is equal to x1 square minus 2x1 x2 plus x2 square. You check whether this function is negative definite or positive definite. So to summarize, we know a function, a positive definite, we have understood the definition of positive definite function. We know the definition of negative definite function, and I have given you two examples. One example is v of x is equal to x1 square plus x2 square. We have seen that this function is positive definite. Now I have given you another example, x1 square minus 2x1 x2 plus x2 square. I am asking you whether it is positive definite or negative definite. So we will take a break. When we come back after the break, I will give you the answer.